So cool, science! Why is there more static in the winter? Now, that's a wicked cool question, and today we're talking static, and I'm not talking about the kind of static you find on the radio. No, I'm talking about the kind you can use to attract a pop can. Oh, by the way, you know how you attract a pop can? You just have to have bubbly personality. So, bring your comb with you the next time you're headed to a party because I'm going to show you a wicked cool party trick that you can do to impress that special someone. Maybe you found yourself a cutie who's got a fruity patootie and possibly named Trudy. All right, you're going to start by combing your hair. By the way, I'm going to answer a question so many of you have been wondering. Hey, what do you look like without your hat? Well, hey, I look like me, hatless. Start by combing your hair, and then bring your comb next to the empty soda can. Now that is so wicked cool, man. You combed your hair and you pull the pop can. So, why does the comb pull the pop can? And how does static electricity, well, work anyway? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. Atoms have positively charged protons at their centers and negatively charged electrons buzzing around the centers. Normally, these two opposite charges balance each other out and the atom is neutral. However, when atoms rub against each other, some of the atoms will lose electrons while the other atoms will gain extra electrons. The comb picks up extra electrons and becomes negatively charged. When you bring the negatively charged comb near the pop can, and pulls on the pop can's positively charged protons. In the winter, the air doesn't have as much water vapor, and thus the air is drier than it would be in summer. So, when you rub your feet against carpeting, the carpet loses electrons to your body, which builds up electrons and becomes negatively charged. When you touch something like a metal doorknob, these extra electrons quickly jump over to the atoms in the doorknob, and you feel this as a tiny shock. If you don't want to get shocked by doorknobs, just touch any object to the handle before you grab it. So now you know more about static electricity. You know, being able to pull a pop can is why science is